How to controversial Nile Dam might fix Sudan's flood. In our series of letters from Africa, journalist Tana Muhammad Saleh jokes as what Sudan makes of Ethiopia's controversial Nile Dam. Unprecedented flooding in Saudi in a year led to the death of more than 100 people and affected 875,000 others. Entire residential neighborhoods were damaged while power and water supplies were disrupted when the River Nile records its highest level in living memory. Some experts said that if the Grand Ethiopian River Dam on the Blue Nile Table had been fully operational, the effect and Sudan would have been less destroyed. Ethiopia started building the dam in its northern highest from where 85% of the Nile water flew in 2011 and this year. The recovery behind the dam started to fill when they were fully operational. In several years' time, it will become Africa's largest hydraulic plant. But it has been fraught with controversy of the Egypt, which is the downstream where the 4 billion, the 3 billion dam will gradually receive its access to water.